Ultimate Guide for Board Exams 2025 Preparation. Welcome to the Education Forum. In today's video, we will equip you with effective strategies, important questions, and golden tips to excel in your board exams 2025. Finally, let's explore some tips and tricks that top students use to excel. Tips to enhance your study routine. Practice previous papers every third day. Engage in focused group study sessions lasting 30 to 45 minutes. Use mind maps for visual learning to boost retention. Take breaks every 50 minutes, and ensure 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Now, let's discuss the important questions for 2025 exams based on past papers and examiner trends. Make sure to prepare these key topics. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these strategies help you succeed in your board exams 2025.